Hey, how's it going? Got a brand new tea set today. I'm gonna open it up. Wow, look at this. This thing is packaged very well. Let's lift this up. Wow, look at this. 6 cups. And in here's, it's wrapped. What do you call this thing? Okay, so this thing is to hold the tea when it's after it's done. And this guy is the little mini teapot. Alright, let's put these away. Wow, look at this. Look at the beauty of this thing. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Craftsmanship are so nice. Very smooth. Jesus. Beautiful set. And this thing can be flipped over as a tea station. So I'm gonna take this thing, flip it upside down, and got a tea serving station, portable serving station. Wow, look at this. I love it. Let's make some tea. Alright, let's make some tea. I washed this already. Always wash the first time. You make sure you want to clean this thing, because you never know what's attached to here when came out of the manufacturer, right? So here we go. These are they call fragrant tea. Get my little bamboo spoon. Scoop as much as you can handle. I don't like to drink very strong tea. That's good enough. Put this aside. This here. I got compartments of teas here. More compartments of tea on this side. So this thing is a portable tea station. So here we go. You don't need to fill it up for the first time. The first time you always want to rinse it out. Make sure you rinsed out all the dirty stuff from the tea. And use this to wash. Just wash clean the rest of the cups. I don't have that many people drinking, so it's just going to be me. I actually don't even need to wash all of them. All right, so we got that clean. This batch you can drink. You don't need to leave it for too long. If it's too long, it gets too strong, so it's no good. Now it's good. Okay, so this thing take out all the little leaves. Look at this. Oh, beautifully golden yellow. So this is a green tea. The fragrant tea is also considered green tea, and you know, green tea is always good for you, but a lot of people say you can actually use it for lose weight. I don't believe so, but hey, drink whatever you like. Green tea, red tea, you know, this is all good. I love this thing. So enjoy the tea. Have a good day. Bye-bye.